Claudius, a man who turned into a pumpkin. Claudius was limping and had a speech impediment, so he was frequently ridiculed by his own family and wasn't considered a serious force in politics. It seems he occasionally played along and pretended that he was stupid, when in fact he wasn't. In the end, he most probably orchestrated the assassination of his problematic nephew, Gaius Caligula, and became the emperor himself. And he was a competent ruler, although the historians tell stories of how he was actually ruled by his wives. Terrible, licentious creatures. Claudius stopped Caligula's persecutions of the people of senatorial rank and ended this feud of the Senate and the Emperor. Well, obviously. That's probably why he was promoted in the first place. He did nothing extraordinary except probably for the famous conquest of Britannia and overall expansion of the empire. Just, a normal emperor. Most of the hatred of the historians is directed at his wives. First of all, at his third wife, Messalina. Messalina, according to our ever-reliable historians, Suetonius and Cassius Dio, was so licentious and so adulterous that at some point you just stop believing anything these two guys write about her. Oh, and there's also Tacitus. He's even worse. Messalina was becoming more and more licentious every day, so Claudius had to dispose of her. She was replaced by his niece, Agrippina, Caligula's sister. And she's actually a really important character. Agrippina had a son from her previous marriage, Nero, and she made Claudius to adopt him and tried to prepare him to become a new leader of the state. She even returned Seneca from exile and appointed him as Nero's tutor. It is not clear if Claudius was assassinated, but it is believed that Agrippina poisoned him to pave way for her own son. So Claudius became a pumpkin and Nero became the emperor.